Isopon has a repair solution for almost any damage, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to use the Isopon body filler cartridge for minor dents and repairs with smart nozzle technology. This gives you a perfect mix ratio for your body filler every time. Here's what comes in the box of the multi-purpose body filler cartridge kit. You get the cartridge itself, plus 2 mixing tips, and an applicator to apply the filler, and detailed instructions showing you every step of this repair process. Some other things you're going to need are a caulking gun, a mixing board, protective gloves, and a wiping towel. Here's the spot you're going to repair. The straight edge lets you clearly see the dent. You can see it by the gap. There's even paint in the low spot, which you're going to sand out with some medium grit sandpaper, which will allow the filler to adhere. Now, make sure you feather around the dent. That way, you can blend your filler. Remove the screw cap off the cartridge and cut off the metal clip from the plastic film. Attach a mixing nozzle and insert it into a caulking gun. Squeeze a strip of filler approximately the length of the tip out of the nozzle and discard. This ensures that the two components are correctly mixed and blended together. Then squeeze out an appropriate amount of filler onto your repair area. Use the supplied applicator to spread and smooth the filler. Allow your filler to dry for 20 to 30 minutes prior to sanding. Once the filler is dry, use a medium grit sandpaper on a hard block and use a cross-blocking technique until the surface is level with the surrounding area. Once the area is level, switch to a finer grade of sandpaper to do the final feather and leveling of the surface and get it ready for the primer of your choice. Your final finish should be perfectly smooth and blended evenly with the surrounding area. If you do have areas that are still low, another application of filler can be applied easily and sanded out. If you've still got filler in the cartridge, leave the nozzle on. It seals off the top. You've got a second tip just in case you need it. If you've used both tips, seal it with the cap. That way, when you squeeze out the remaining filler, it dispenses in a perfect mix ratio. Isopon really does have an easy repair solution for almost any damage. So for more information on the filler cartridge with smart nozzle, the body filler kit for minor dents and damage, or any other Isopon products, be sure to check out our website at isopon.co.uk.